Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting core requirements out of the way. Update your Ps4, confirm the host has PlayStation Plus, and sign into PSN. Once done, switch to a wired connection or close to a 5 GHz router to reduce packet loss. Make sure the host Ps4 is set as the account's primary console so Shareplay permissions work. Now open a party with your friend, select Shareplay, and choose the session type. This kicks off the connection handshake that enables shared control or co-play. Once you've started Shareplay, invite the friend and pick Start Shareplay from the party menu. You'll be asked whether to give control, play together, or watch. Pick the appropriate option and set the session quality. Lower resolution reduces lag if your upload is limited. If it fails to connect, run the Ps4 network test to check NAT type and latency, and try toggling the session type. If NAT is strict, have one player enable UPnP, or set the console as DMZ on the router to improve traversal. To finish, confirm the controller handoff and play. Remember, each Shareplay block is roughly 60 minutes, so restart when required. If the session drops or buttons don't respond, immediately power cycle your router and both Ps4, then reconnect via Ethernet. This often clears NAT binding problems. If that fails, set DNS to 8. 8. Enable UPnP or forward PSN ports on the router. One key troubleshooting tip: rebuild the Ps4 database from safe mode before more invasive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.